let's go over the basics of angles. Now, the definition of an angle is the orientation between two lines that meet at a vertex. And vertex is just a fancy word for edge. And the notation is like this. It's denoted by this slanted L and then A, B, C, where B is the vertex. And it's always the middle letter. So let's say we have this angle here. And we have A, C. A and C can be used interchangeably. So A could be here and C could be here. But for B has to be where the two lines meet at the corner in the middle. Let's now go over the different types of angles. So an acute angle is one where the angle is less than 90 degrees. And we have the right angle where the angle is 90 degrees and it's drawn like this. This has a special square to denote that the lines are 90 degrees or perpendicular to each other. Next we have the obtuse angle, where the angle is between 90 degrees, where the angle is between 90 degrees and 180. Something like this. And as you can imagine, you can draw a imaginary vertical line, and we can see that this is a right angle, and then this is the extra angle that makes it above 90 degrees. Then there is the straight angle, where the angle is 180 degrees, which means it is a straight line. And for this, if you imagine the perpendicular again, it's simply made up of two right angles on the right side and the left side. The next one is what's called the reflex angle, and this is between 180 degrees and 360, and it looks something like this. And if you imagine we had our straight angle from before, and then this part is the extra angle that makes this a reflex. And finally, we have what's called the revolution, where the angle is 360 degrees. And this is known as a full angle as well. You have the line, and you have the angle, which is a circle, because it's a complete angle, because it is a complete angle. If you found this summary easy to understand, And make sure to subscribe, as more lessons on geometry will be made. As always, if you want to watch another video, then feel free to click here. Otherwise, thanks for watching.